Hi, children. Have a happy day. Welcome to grade 4 science. Right? Let's start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes, and listen to me. Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Great, children. Now slowly open your eyes. Fine. Today we are going to see the next new chapter, right? So before going to enter into the chapter, let me ask you something, right? So just close your eyes and feel what will around you, what will be present around you. Yes, you will feel the air around you, which will be breathed by you, right? So what will you feel around you? You will feel the presence of air around you. Very good. Could you say some properties of air? Whether it can be able to see or not? Yes. The air cannot be able to see. Just it can be feel only. Very good. So today we are going to see about air. This is your 6th chapter. Right? And say, what are the gases that will be present in the air? Yes, it may contain carbon dioxide, oxygen, and some other gases, nitrogen, like that. Right? Okay, so listen carefully, children. Just answer me. Could you say what is the color of the air? No, it has nothing. It is colorless. And could you smell the air? No, it has no smell. These are some properties of air. Right. So now air, composition of air, properties of air. These are the topics we are going to discuss today. Right. So in order to feel air, just take a polythene bag, empty polythene bag, and blow air inside that bag. Tie the mouth of that bag. Now you can observe that the polythene bag is filled with air. Right. Likewise, if you did the same experiment with the help of a balloon, it might also be filled with air. Right. So air helps in human being for inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. It has no taste, color, or smell. It is important for human life to survive. So the many gases will be present in the air. Just human will breathe oxygen alone and breathes out carbon dioxide. Right. Then composition of air. As I said earlier, the air may contain number of gases, right? But the major amount of gas present in the air is nitrogen gas, which is up to 78% of air. The nitrogen occupies 78% of air, whereas the oxygen occupies 21% of air. And the remaining gases such as carbon dioxide, neon, and like these gases, these are the remaining gases that will be present in the air, which occupies 1% of the space. These are the main components of air, right? So what might be the components? Air has many gases, in which the most important gases are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Right. So in air, nitrogen occupies 78 percentage, whereas oxygen occupies 21 percentage, and the rest of the gases like carbon dioxide, neon, and other substances will occupies 1 percentage of the gas. This is about the components of air. Right. Then properties of air, that is whether the air occupies space or whether the air has weight. You have to determine that. Right. So I am going to give you an experiment related to these topics. That is, air occupies space and air has weight. Just note down that and observe what you infer from, and just infer what you observe from that, and tell to me about your observations in the next session. Right. So for this experiment, just you have to perform the do and document 3 and 4. Right, sorry, do and document 2 and 3 in your book, concept book. Right, and just share me your observations in the next session. From the experiment, you have to say whether the air occupies the space and air has weight or not. Right. Just read the do and document part 2 and 3 in your concept book and perform those experiments. Infer the result and share me your observations in the next session about that experiment. Okay, so by next session we can see detail about these properties, that is air occupies space and air has weight. So this is about the topics we have discussed today. So what are the topics? Just introduction. What is air and what are the components of air? Right. So along with the do and document part, and also you have to complete the practice zone 1 in your concept book. So these are the homework part today. So finish your homework and upload it in Google Classroom app without fail. Right. So we can meet in next session with still more interesting topic. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Bye.